Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Buttermilk waffles with hot honey chicken tenders. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients: eggs, buttermilk, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, salt, garlic, onion powder, hot sauce, cayenne pepper, black pepper, honey, smoked paprika, flour, and I have here chicken breast that I stripped up and washed and cleaned all right. Now let's move on to marinating the chicken strips. Buttermilk, black pepper, salt. I'm going to mix this up, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for 2 hours. Now we're going to make the buttermilk waffles from scratch. I'm using self-rising flour. Put the eggs into this bowl and whip the eggs up. Add the sugar. And add the butter. Make sure the butter is soft.
This dish is one of the most popular brunch dishes.
Yeah, buttermilk waffles and fried chicken.
Well, you're doing a little bit of a twist. You're doing a different version. You're doing hot honey chicken.
Yeah.
If you don't have buttermilk, what can you use to make the waffles?
Well, if you don't have buttermilk, to make buttermilk, you can take some vinegar, white vinegar, and put in regular milk, or you can use lemon juice. And you put that in there and you set it to the side for about 10 minutes and let it turn into buttermilk.
It's a cheaper way to do buttermilk.
Now we're going to add the flour to the milk mixture. Well, I think the waffles mix is mixed up enough now to the right consistency. Now we're going to let this sit to the side, and I'm going to plug in my waffle maker and let it heat up. Then we'll come back and make the waffles.
Looks pretty hot.
Yes, it is. We're going to test it. If it's too hot, then we'll make another one. This will be the test waffle.
Waffle irons are not even that expensive, actually, these days. They're pretty cheap.
Yeah, it depends on the brand.
Because you can't do this dish without a waffle iron, so you would have to buy one before you even attempt it.
Now let's check and see if it's ready.
Looks like it to me.
Yes, it is. We're going to take this out. Yes, ready. Now we're going to do another one.
Can you do different flavor waffles with this dish? You could even do savory waffles too, right?
Yeah.
A cheese one or, a spicy one. I see some people do that with this dish. It doesn't have to always be a sweet waffle. You still could also do the apple, blueberry, strawberry, whatever you like it as. But for this dish, you're just doing the traditional basic waffle.
Yeah, buttermilk.
So now you're going to make the hot honey sauce now for the chicken.
Yes.
What goes in it?
Honey, hot sauce, cayenne pepper, black pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then we mix this up.
Coming to my favorite part now, frying the chicken up.
Yeah, I have a cast iron Dutch oven here that I'm going to fry it in. I'm adding some vegetable oil to this pot. Turn it on medium high for the oil to heat up. Now, I have some flour here, and flour is not, don't come seasoned, so we have to season the flour. Garlic powder and onion powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, paprika.
Don't forget, everybody, all the ingredients for this dish will be in the description box for both the waffles and the chicken.
And some salt. We're going to mix everything up in the flour, all the seasoning.
You know, you spend all that money going to those brunches buying this. You can make this at home. This is not that expensive, or it's pretty easy to do.
Yeah, very simple. This takes a little time.
Would you say this is about an hour roughly to make?
Well, yes. No, a little over an hour because you marinating the chicken.
Oh, so yeah, I guess you're right about that. It should be maybe.
You can marinate the chicken overnight, you know.
Oh, okay. So all in all, it should take
an hour to cook everything.
To cook it, but it take a day if you're gonna do the overnight marinating.
Yeah, to prep to make everything, the waffles and the chicken, that would come to about an hour prep.
Okay, that makes sense.
Now we're going to take the chicken and put it in the flour mix. Okay, the oil is hot enough.
So how long does this take to fry?
About a couple of minutes on each side.
Look at the chicken jumping in the pot. I like that nice golden brown that the chicken got. Look at that coming out. That's so nice.
Yeah, now we're flipping it to the next side.
Coming together really good. Really like the color on that chicken.
I have a plate here with some paper towel so it can drain off any excess oil. Okay, we're going to fry another batch. Now it's time to flip this to the next side.
You know, a lot of people take cast iron pans and cast iron pot fried at that.
Now it's hold the EB.
Some people do the deep fryer, but I personally think that this is the best way to fry it. The old school way.
Now the chicken strips has fried now. I have a bowl here.
So you're going to coat it now in the...
Yeah, I'm going to put the chicken into this bowl. Now, I'm going to pour the hot honey sauce over the chicken. Now, I'm going to toss it up in the sauce. There you have it. Buttermilk waffle served with maple syrup and hot honey fried chicken tenders. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.